Jiang told me that there is a portal palace hiding in the north in Xinjiang. I thought he lied, but I have found it. Look. It does look like the portal palace. Impressive. Guys, check the place behind me. It's called the Colorful Devil City. Various cats of settlement created such a mountain. There are 6 to 7 colors. The red near its peak shows its high content of iron. Look, the mountain isn't high, and each layer is just dozens of centimeters high. But it's a year settlement, then dozens of meters away from the mountain checked out, its colors are just 30 colors and green. Because there are not so many materials, that mountain is called Materials Portal Palace. In the desert of northern Xinjiang, many people try to look for it in the jungle basin, but in vain. I'm so lucky today to have found it. Let me tell you the way here. Look far away. There are 2 immortals. One is a husband and the other is his wife. Funny, huh? It's called Oxen Peak, namely immortals in Chinese. Here's the guidance. This whole place used to be a seaweed years ago. So different settlements made different colors of layered hair. There are also many gold soldiers here. Friends who come here may take a tour to this colored Devil City. It's quite fine to look for the jade. The detail guide on the screen. It can be found easily with your navigation points.